Hello, I'm going to show you a great tip that will help you when you are working with egg whites, especially if you want to whip it up to a meringue consistency. If there is any fat in your egg white, you may not get the desired rise and formation of your meringue. So you want to make sure there is no fat in your egg white. Now, yolk is fat, and when you separate your egg white, you might think, well, I shouldn't have any fat, but you may have forgotten that your utensils and the containers that you put the egg white can have residual grease that has not been fully washed off, and that can also affect your egg white. Now, I don't like to take chances and I don't like to waste any ingredients. So what I do is clean my utensils with lemon juice, or you can use vinegar, and that will get rid of any residual grease. So just on a kitchen towel and just give it a nice wipe. So I do this whenever I'm making things like Swiss meringue buttercream. I will use lemon juice to wipe all the containers the egg white is going to be into. I will wipe my mixing bowl and I will wipe my whisk attachment. So that's a very easy, simple tip, and it can make all the difference.